안녕하세요, 여러분. Hi, guys. Um, we just received a package, a very big one, and we're going to see if this package came from the KTO Manila, uh, the one that I have joined last month. So we're going to check if this is the one that I am waiting, that I have been waiting. So let's go. Let's open this one.
So, you don't have a scissors, so I'm just gonna use this pen. It's so powerful. Whoa. Okay. Oh. I'm not sure if this is the right one. Because I don't remember ordering something for me. And I was just shop earlier today because I got a text from GNT, right? The package will be delivered. Although there's no amount. But a package will be delivered today. I was like, I didn't order anything. But why did I have the package? So
Let's check. Wait lang. Ooh, what is this? Whoa. Oh, from KTO Manila. Finally, it's from KTO Manila. I can see the logo of KTO Manila here. Let's go. So, I'm just gonna unwrap the bubble wrap. First is the 100 must stop visit must visit tourist spots of Korea. So, hopefully this will be my guide in my future endeavors. So, this is a very big one. Wow. Wow. It's all of Korea, a big map of Korea. Wow. Oh my god. Ooh, I think this is a letter from KTO Manila, Korea Tourism Organization. What is this? T-Money. I can use this one on my future endeavors. T-Money. T-Money. Enjoy your trip in just on one card. Wow. T-Money cards are used as a payment method in public bus and subways and different. Whoa. Oh my god. This can also be used as on retail such as convenience stores. Oh my god, how do I activate this one? Annyeong 친구. They have this letter. Oh, thank you so much. Annyeong 친구. Christians would like to extend our K Creators Club 2025. So, yeah, that was the contest from KTO that I have joined. And although I did not, I was not selected as part of the KTO Content Creators Club, I'm already happy with this big prizes of mine. So, thank you so much, KTO. Korea tourist map. I think this is also a big tourist map of Korea, including the, what do you call this one? Railways. Whoa, this is very, very useful, especially in my future endeavors. This is a sign. Oh my god! So I'm just gonna check this out later. They have this EIC materials for the 1330, the Korea Travel Helpline. So this 1330 is the somewhat like customer support hotline for tourists going to Korea. So they also have information about subways and trains, mode of transportation, and the helpline details. Must have apps in visiting Korea. So they have so many EIC materials. Oh yeah, these are the apps that you need to have in Korea. So Papago, I have installed already Papago for my Korean translation. So yeah, they also have this book. Whoa, following footsteps of K-pop MV. So they have a lot of. They are listing several um, location sites of music videos. So yeah, we're gonna visit later. I'm especially excited about the album because it says it has a random K-pop album. So we're gonna check this one first. Whoa, look, it's so big. Travel to Korea begin again. Transit, and stopover. So we're gonna open this one. Wow, sticker. Sticky. Wow! What's called this one? Wait, wait. Dream holder. I think this is a ref magnet. It's so pretty. They also have this. What is this one? Belt. Belt in like the airport airline belt. And what do you call this one? A wallet, I think. Wow, souvenir. Ay, passport holder. Oh my god. This is a luggage strap. Oh my god, there's a label here. So it's a luggage strap. Wait. Okay, this one first. Later na. Calendar from KTO Manila. So it's very, very nice. Wow! It's a desktop calendar. I like it. There's a tourist spot here in the other side. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one at the office. The random K-pop album. Oh my god. It's very big. This is the last one of the package. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! 17! Going volume 2. And there's what do you call this one? What do you call this one? Photo card. Oh my god. Whoa, it's so packed. Is this official? Ah, so many. Oh, wait. This one. What is this? An album? Whoa. Joshua. June. What do you call it? Oh, wait. Joshua. Ah, that's Jonghan pala. Dick Mingyu. Book or something. Tuturutu, tuturutututu. More like a season greetings. Somewhat like a season greetings. Oh, look at that! Oh no. Sungkwan. Okay. Okay, so that ends my unboxing. And I have received so much items from KTO Manila. And thank you so much for this wonderful. Again, thank you so much for these wonderful gifts that you have given me. And I am really, really happy that I have joined the K Creators Club. Although I didn't win, but I'm really, really happy with all the stuff that you have provided me for my participation. So, thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much, KTO Manila.